Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism today, martyred 3 more Kashmiri youth in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, the troops martyred the youth during a violent military operation at Kamalkot in Uri area of Baramulla district. The operation continued till last reports came in. Earlier, the troops martyred 2 youth during a similar operation in Nowshera area of Rajouri district on Tuesday. The troops also arrested 2 youth Muhammad Yusuf and Manzoor Ahmad in Petkot area of Bandipora district today. The personnel of Indian forces and agencies continued their search operations and house raids in different areas of Srinagar, Budgam, Kupwara, Pulwama, Islamabad, Shopian, Kulgam, Ramban, Kishtwar, Doda, Rajouri, Poonch, Kathua and Samba districts, subjecting the locals to severe harassment. Meanwhile, Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party, headed by incarcerated Shabir Ahmad Shah, in a statement issued in Srinagar, condemned the upsurge in the Indian brutalities in the occupied territory. It said that the continued Indian military violence poses a serious existential threat to the Kashmiris reeling under India's brutal suppression. The DFP also expressed grave concern over Narendra Modi-led fascist government's move of granting voting rights to the Indian citizens in the internationally recognized disputed territory, terming it a conspiracy aimed at disempowering the Kashmiri Muslims. Anjuman Awqaf of Jamia Masjid Srinagar, in a statement in Srinagar, asked the occupation authorities to allow its chief Mirwais Umar Farooq to offer Jummah prayers and deliver sermon at the historic mosque if they were true in their claims. The Mirwais has been under continued house detention since 5th August 2019, when the Modi regime repealed the special status of Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir and imposed military stage in the territory. The New Delhi installed Lieutenant Governor Manoj Sinha a few days ago had claimed that Mirwais Umar Farooq was not under house arrest. On the other hand, the police in the Indian state of Hyderabad again arrested the Bharatiya Janata Party leader Raja Singh following massive protests by the Muslims against his derogatory remarks about Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Earlier, Raja Singh was arrested on Tuesday but released a few hours later. Tension prevails in the city since the video of the BJP leader in which he used insulting language against the Holy Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam made rounds on the social media.